Shandong Home-Wood Machinery Company Limited is one famous manufacturer of plywood machine in China. Our product, Mesh Veneer Dryer, also be called wire dryer, for drying original wood veneer, remove abundant humidity in the end. The wood veneer humidity will be 5% to 10%, so it is suitable for making plywood. Veneer mesh dryer are suitable for thin wood veneer, and its wire can be stainless steel wire or galvanized wire, and can dry in big capacity per day. It can be different length, width, and floors. For example, some our clients choose width 4,500 mm or 4,000 mm, length 20 mm, and 4 floors, and this wire dryer can dry in 40 cubic meters per day. Our mesh dryer use very thick material for frame and doors, so its weight are heavy a lot. Use unique airflow and big fans to increase the production capacity, and use Siemens motor to make sure good quality and powerful energy. Even the very small parts, like the bearings, we insist choosing the good quality, and each kinds of parts have their own models. So before loading, we will pack each of them and make marks. So when roller dryer reaches your factory, it is easy for you to know what are they. Wire dryer includes many different parts, so the production technology and worker-rich experience are important. And our factory with this advantage. Choosing our wire dryer, you can use many years with good performance, and no need worry its quality. Welcome, contact us for more information. We will offer the suitable dryer for you according to your own conditions and requires. With high efficiency sales team offer 24 hours online service. The professional technical team and after-sales service team offer plant layout, machine drawings, and after-sales service. Choose us. You need not worry anything. We will help you arrange all. We will offer you the better and suitable machine, 2 years warranty, professional technical team at your service anytime, and hope that build a good and long-time cooperation.